Some days I just like to ride in style with my sister Morgan. Just cruising the neighborhood in my Escalade. Hi, buddy! Whoa, Morgan's kind of a crazy driver. Yes, Morgan! Morgan, you're going so fast. Hi, Morgan! Say hi, Mom! On video, say hi. Woohoo, Case, you having fun? Woohoo! Yep. Here's Mallory. Here's Mallory. What up, girl? Today, beautiful day in the neighborhood. Hey, Kaser. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Whoa, here comes Mallory. Hey, baby.